Okay, this is entry number 2 into Cigar Box Nation's plumbing HVAC challenge. Yeah, this pot was originally going to be a banjo, and it probably still will end up as a banjo. But when I realized that the 10-inch galvanized duct cap would fit on there, I went ahead and fitted inside. It's got a piezo just kind of taped to the underside of the galvanized. The neck is a 1/2-inch PVC with a T-coupler on the top for a headstock to hold 3 of the zither pins. I shoved a piece of dowel up into there and also into the neck itself to try to get some rigidness from it. Holding tune, all right. This is acoustic sound. Put a little volume through the micro cube back here. Alrighty. Well, I woke up this morning, I went to the sink, turned on the water, I wanted a drink. Nothing came out, got them plumber crack blues. Well, you know what I'm talking about, got them plumber crack blues. Well, I picked up my propane, went into the crawl space. 2 beady eyes stared me in my face. You know what I'm talking about, got them plumber crack blues. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about, got them plumber crack blues. Well, 2 and 2 is 4, 4 and 4 is 8. Fix them pipes now before it's too late. Well, you know what I'm talking about them plumber crack blues. Yeah, you know, peoples, got them plumber crack blues.